Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check guild on the CoookieRun OvenBreak application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. That's the home screen, and you can find different buttons, for example the shop, the rewards, the collections, settings and others. Now if you want to check the guilds, go to the upper side of the screen and click to the third button, the guild, under the news. And here you can find different options. You can open that, you can search guilds, and you can refresh this site. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.